Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to review the Austral Line folding frame clothesline. Now, it's an Australian-made product and it suits up to 5 people. It has 13 lines and gives a massive 35 metres of hanging space. It's a dual fold type clothesline, which means it has an inner and an outer frame. The outer frame is 2.4 metres wide, which means it will take a queen sheet, and it is 1.5 metres deep from the wall to myself. The inner frame is 2.49 metres wide and is approximately 600 millimetres deep. It comes in several different colour options. In this situation, it is wall mounted, however it does come with a ground mount kit as an optional extra. It can be folded down quite easily, and it does fold down independently, the 2 lines. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. So the outer line folds down first, and then it leaves the inner line, which is ideal if you've got a narrow walkway, small amount of washing, and you don't need the bigger line. You can also fold this down independently also, which I'll just show you how to do now. So once they're both folded down, as you can see, it's out of the way and gives you back your valuable garden. And to raise the clothesline, it's much the same thing in reverse. And that's all that's required to open and close the folding frame clothesline. Now, this particular product does come with a full 20-year manufacturer's warranty on the frame. It is also quite easy to assemble and install. So I hope this has helped you with your review of the Austral Line folding clothesline. For this and all other clothesline solutions, visit us at theclotheslinestore.com.au. My name's Jason. Bye for now.